Okay, Chapter 25, Importing PDF Files Design Views. Importing PDF files to your drawing. Using design views. Introduction. Autocad comes with two powerful features. Importing PDF files to your drawing files as a vector files, which will eliminate reworking time and effort. You can also make the partial import of existing PDF underlays. Design views will help you share the design with stakeholders while keeping the drawing file secure. Import a PDF. PDF files come from all sorts of software as an output for the origin of the file. With the AutoCAD, you might welcome the chance to convert them into vectors so you can make the desired changes. Saving it is the drawing file that's supplied with the dealing with a PDF underlay is discussed in Chapter 22. Then AutoCAD allows you to import the PDF file fully with a partial drawing host file. That doesn't mean the PDF file origin was not AutoCAD file. We can import the drawing file. But it will be a little bit more like an image. Import a PDF file into your drawing file. You give the following steps. While you're in the AutoCAD file, go to the Insert tab, locate Import panel, click drop down arrow, select PDF Import, and that is command line PDF Import. AutoCAD will show the following prompt: select PDF underlay or file. You will either select the file to import the full PDF to your current drawing, or you will click on the existing PDF underlay. Import a PDF file. To import the PDF file with a current drawing file, these steps. Select the option file from the prompt mentioned above. AutoCAD will display the following dialog box. Select it, click the open button, you'll see the following dialog box. If your file contains more than one page, specify the pages you are interested in. Under location, specify insertion points on screen, and specify the scale and rotation angle of the import. Under the PDF data import section, specify what import vector geometry includes solid fills, true type text. AutoCAD will not recognize SHX fonts if there are any raster images. Under the lay sections, you use PDF layers if you want to bring the layers inside of the PDF file, but will be with a prefix PDF example. The door will be PDF A door. Use current objects. These will be the layers of the PDF geometry, PDF solid fills, PDF text, depending on whether or not these objects are in the PDF or the current layer, which means all objects are imported will reside in the current layer. Under imports options, select whether the import block, which means all of the import considered one block, whether or not you want the join and line arc segments if it's a polyline, whether or not to convert solid fills to hatches and apply line weight properties. If checked off, all lines will default line weight. And finally, with the infer line types from collinear dashes. If this is on AutoCAD, will convert with the dashes and dots. If they are collinear to a single polyline, hold the new line called PDF import. When finished, click OK to complete the import process. Check and identify each object, how the AutoCAD converted them. Importing a PDF underlay. The second option is import object with existing PDF over underlay. Use the following steps. Make sure the inside of the AutoCAD file containing the PDF underlay. Start with the PDF import command. Select the PDF underlay. You'll see the following prompts. Specify the first corner of the area of the import polygon or all settings. Choose all. If the click settings, you'll see the following dialog box. PDF imports over the PDF data, import vector, solid fills, true type text, and raster images. Layers, use PDF layers, create object layers, current layer. Import options, import as block, join line segments, or convert solid fills to hatches, apply line weight properties, infer line types, the collinear dashes, OK, cancel options, and help. The above dialog box is identical to those discussed in the importing PDF file command. Changing settings as you wish. Click OK. Specify the two option corners to set the area you want from the end of the underlay. You will see the following dialog box: keep, detach, unload, PDF underlay, keep, detach, or unload. AutoCAD reminding you that you will be obtaining selected objects, but decide what to do with the PDF underlay. Do you wish to keep it as, detach it, or unload it? Input your action and press enter at the end of the command. Dealing with the SHX files. Discussed previously, AutoCAD has two types of fonts. One old one called shape file fonts, or wildcard SHX fonts. True type fonts, wildcard TTF fonts. By default, importing PDF with the AutoCAD file with the AutoCAD recognize the true types of fonts right away, but will consider shape files as geometry. To solve this problem, go to Insert tab, locate Import panel, and click Recognition Settings button. So now you've went to recognition settings, and that's also as PDF shape file fonts or SHX text command. See the following dialog box. Using the above dialog box, you will help the AutoCAD recognize the setup of the text in the required way. To do the following, use the SHX fonts to compare the select the shape that you think may exist within your PDF files. This list is not a file. You can add, remove, using add, remove buttons located on the list. Select which layer's generated font will reside. Current layer, same layer. If the existing SHX file is not listed in the list, when the recognition threshold should AutoCAD use the default high is 95% similar to one of the listed fonts. You can relax it by setting less percentage. Also, you can select the option of the use best matching font. Click OK to end. AutoCAD will ask you to select the objects, the SHX fonts, and selected objects contains all and any of the fonts mentioned. You will see in the following message. All multiple text will be created accordingly. AutoCAD will create a new style text style holding the name of the font and assigning the text to it. And no matching was found. You will see the following message. If you want to convert more geometry to font with the PDF import, go to Insert tab, locate Import panel, recognize the SHX text button. That's also command line PDF H SHX text. And then it goes on to a practice. Alright, creating design views. Sharing your design with a drawing file while other personnel with the firm is very risky, yet today's business environment obliges to send some data to many of the stakeholders in order for them to view approving to tell you the next step. AutoCAD offers the best solution for the dilemma. You send the stakeholders' views of the drawing without sending the actual one. You the design views of the AutoCAD will enable you to do the following. Do not risk your design sending an original drawing format, drawing file. No need for the recipient to have the AutoCAD installed within their machines. No need to start with new accounts, new users, no passwords. You need only in the browser to view the design view. On the other hand, the creator of the file should have an account of the A360 in order to upload the file, generate with the necessary views. Do the following. You must create a free of charge account before this step. Log on your account of the AutoCAD 360 from the top bar located and sign in. You'll see the following an AutoCAD sign-in message. Type in your username and password, click sign in. It will take a few seconds, then you'll be logged in. Go to the A360, locate share panel, click share design view, and that's online design share command. You'll see the following message. Asking you to design, publish secure location, online viewing, sharing. How do you do this? Publish display in my browser now. Publish notify me when complete. Always before my current choice. AutoCAD will give two options. Choose from either. Publish display with my browser. The displaying will be after uploading time, but the current file takes place with the publish notify with me when complete. You'll see with the notification bubble in the lower right hand corner of the screen. You'll get an email link, so you can view your file before you send the link to anybody. If you view the first message, you'll see the following prompt in your command. The viewer will be open in your browser shortly. In both AutoCAD, will put your file into a secure place in the cloud, and your stakeholders will not be able to access it. To view your file, you don't need AutoCAD's account username, not a password, to log in any account. The browser will open a AutoCAD 360 viewer, which is supported by the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Explorer. Your browser should support WebGL to use AutoCAD 360 viewer. You'll see the following. Use the screen. You can do the following. At the left, choose the view with the model existing layouts. You can zoom in, zoom out, pan, zoom all the mouse wheels, view the camera, interaction, fit view, roll. Use measure distance, invite live reviewer to look at their model at the same time you are clicking live viewer button. Type the name of the desired person, control players, control properties, control settings, initiate full screen mode. Alright, the cloud will allow 30 days before it asks username, password for the people who receive the link to your view model, and and you extended 30 days to more to file more time if you need it. Practice 25.2, notes, chapter review answers, and then index, and that completes the book of AutoCAD 2018 beginning and intermediate. Where's the title page? This has been a Munir M. Hamad, Autodesk Approved Instructor, Mercury Learning Information Duelist, Virginia, Boston, Massachusetts, and New Delhi.